Hello, welcome. This is a Gaussmeter project. I made a Gaussmeter using Arduino and a 49E Hall effect sensor. In addition, I also made a set of solenoids with variations of 500 turns and 1000 turns. These solenoids are equipped with a compass to determine the direction of the magnetic field. The Gauss meter is used to measure the magnetic field in the solenoids. The magnetic field readings are displayed on an LCD screen in millitesla. We can adjust the strength of the solenoid's magnetic field by adjusting the current from the power supply. The higher the current, the stronger the magnetic field produced. There are two buttons on the Gauss meter, a blue button and a white button. The blue button is the hold button. When pressed, the reading value is held, accompanied by a blue LED indicator. The white button is the tare button used to reset the reading to 0. Please contact me for further details. Check out my other projects too. Thank you.